In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, expand, and collapse features in Confluence. This is a handy tool for making your Confluence pages cleaner and more organized, ensuring that information is accessible but not overwhelming. We'll go through each step clearly and methodically, so let's dive right in. To begin, navigate to the Confluence page that you wish to edit. You probably already have a specific page in mind or one that you're working on, so open it up in your browser. Once the page is open, look for the horizontal three dots either at the top or side of the page. This is your shortcut to more options. Click on these dots and you'll see a menu appear. From this menu, select Edit. This will take you to the editing interface where you have the freedom to make changes to the page content. Now that you're in edit mode, let's add the Expand feature. This will allow your content to be hidden by default and only displayed when the viewer chooses to expand it. Simply type a / and the word expand. As you type this, Confluence will suggest an expand macro from a list that appears. Select this option to insert it into your page. Next, you'll see a section that says give this expand a title. This is where you provide context or a hint about the information that can be revealed. Click in this area and enter the title you want. Make it descriptive enough that users know what they're clicking to reveal. For example, if this section contains instructions on setting up a meeting, you could title it Meeting Setup Guide. Following the title, you'll notice a section right below it where you can add the actual content. Click into this area and start entering your content. You have the flexibility to include text, images, tables, or even other macros here. Take advantage of this to make sure your content is engaging and informative. Once you have finished adding your desired content, it's time to save these changes. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the page and you'll see options to publish or close. If you're ready to publish these changes immediately, click Publish. If you need to step away but don't want to lose your changes, you can select Close, which will save your progress without publishing it just yet. And there you have it. You've successfully added an Expand and Collapse section to your Confluence page, keeping it tidy and user-friendly. This feature is great for organizing information that users may not need all at once. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide useful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out more resources or contact support. Happy editing!